Hi, welcome to Araliya Tutors. I would first like to start by introducing myself. I'm Afreeda and I'm from Sri Lanka. I got my degree in biomedical science from Northumbria University, UK, where I was very fortunate to get a first class honours. And right after my degree, I worked as a clinical research coordinator in the National Hospital of Sri Lanka, where I collaboratively worked with international pharmaceutical companies like Takeda, Merck, Sanofi, George Clinical, and I was involved in clinical trials like dengue, hypertension, diabetes mellitus, and also the stroke study. And right after finishing my career as a clinical research coordinator, I worked as a Pearson qualified teacher in Colombo South International School, where I taught students biology and human biology. And for me, teaching has always been a big passion. And I really enjoyed my life as a teacher in Colombo South International School. Students were really amazing. I just loved their energy, their enthusiasm to learn. And I was also very fortunate to instill in them critical thinking, application skills, practical skills, how to work as a team. So I really learned a lot in my 1 year teaching in Colombo South International School. And right after my teaching career, I was very fortunate again to get a fully funded scholarship in Chulabon Royal Academy, Bangkok, where I did my master's in applied biological science. This was a 2 years fully funded scholarship, and again, I was able to meet students in different countries, and professors and doctors, where they instilled us with so much of knowledge and practical skills, and it was another challenging but yet an amazing experience that I had. So presently, I'm working in Sarasa Sector School. I'm teaching science. I joined Sarasa Sector School on 2022 August 1st of August 2022 rather. And up until now, I'm still working here. And last year, I got promoted as the head of department in the science faculty. So today I would like to sort of briefly explain about the exploring the marvels of science, because I know science is a subject that some students really love and some students find it a little bit challenging. So I thought of giving a small presentation about the marvels of science. By first, I would like to just take you all through why it's important to learn science. Basically, of course, it will help you for your critical thinking, for problem solving, and also it definitely is going to prepare you for your future to face any kind of challenges. So we know science comes with three main subjects, that is biology, chemistry, and physics. If you are going to talk deep about biology, we learn more about cells, tissues, organ, ecology, genetics, organisms. So these are very in-depth topic that you cannot just learn in one day. But basically, you understand biology means anything to do with humans, animals, and plants. And then chemistry, everything that you see, everything you touch, everything you smell is all chemistry. So by learning chemistry, one good thing is we know that diseases like cancer is a very common disease. So many people get it through inhalation or by consumption. So it's very, very good if you are mindful about the chemical products that you consume, that you inhale, right? So if you learn chemistry, you can make, of course, good choices about every products that you are using. And then finally, when you come to discuss about physics, everything that to do with heat, light, electricity, gravity, friction, they're all topics that comes under physics. So I would also like to give few tips to studying about science, especially for students. Always make sure that you all take good notes when you study, maybe on your own, and also make sure that you set clear goals so that you are not going to feel too overwhelmed or too stressed. If you want to study today biology, then you make a clear plan what topics that you will be studying and for how many hours. And then, of course, one most common thing I'm sure that you hear again and again is always review your lesson again and again, because it helps you to retain information in your long term memory. And also, if you have a friend, always teach that friend, because again, by teaching somebody else, again, you tend to understand the concepts much better, and also you tend to remember it more better. And last but not least, always give yourself time to relax and also to take a break. So these are few tips in studying science. This is a very great subject. So I warmly welcome all of you all to Araliya Tutors. If you need any help to learn the subject science, I'm more than here to help y'all because I initially gave y'all all my experiences and also my background. So y'all can see I've gone through a long journey in terms of my education and also in terms of my career. So if you want help in biology or chemistry or physics or just all three subjects combined as a science subject, I'm here to help y'all, and I always make sure that I teach with a lot of interaction, with lots of colorful PowerPoint presentations and quizzes and games, and so many ways that you would not find to learn science difficult, or you don't feel bored to study this subject, because I will ensure that you would love this subject and I will ensure that you will not find it difficult anymore. So, not just to learn about science, if you also need any kind of career guidance, if you have chosen subject as science and what you would want to do next in terms of what university you would want to go, or what field would you like to go, whether as a researcher or whether you would like to go as a doctor or an engineer, I'm there again to help you, to guide you with your best decisions. So I can't wait to see you all and meet you on the other side and to be your tutor at Araliya Tutors. Until I see you all again. Bye bye.